Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Josh Concerts and we'll bring you the best property deals right here in the city of Enugu State, Nigeria. So today we are going to show you a drive-through video from Independence Layout down to Ogui Road. If you're new to this channel, do well to subscribe and like, and also share every of the video that will be posting on this particular channel, and make sure to on your notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get notified when I post a new project. It is a beautiful Saturday morning, and as you can see, it is raining right here in Enugu State, Nigeria. So today we are moving from Independence Layout down to Ogui Road. As you can see, we are currently at Agric Bank Junction, and as you can see, Agric Bank Junction houses a lot of commercial projects. So if you see your street or there a place in your mind that you want us to make a video of, do well to leave it on the comment section. Enugu State is also known as the Coal City State. It houses a lot of good locations such as Independence Layout, Ogui Road, New Haven, Okpara Avenue, and so on. These are the commercial areas in Enugu State, of which Independence Layout is one of the most sorted out area in Enugu State. Independence Layout Enugu is the high section of Enugu State and was carved out by the post-independence administration of legendary late Dr. Michael Okpara, the then Premier of Eastern Region. As you can see, we are currently at Okpara Square, which is also known as the center of Enugu State. Now, Okpara, after Nigeria's independence, expanded Enugu with further acquisition for physical development. Independence Layout is known as one of the most sorted out locations because of its serenity, and it houses a lot of government projects such as the Government House, the Enugu State House of Assembly, the Federal Court, the High Court, the unec office, and also the newly built or the newly constructed International Conference Center. Properties in this area ranges from 150 million to 200 million for 1,000 square meters. So Independence Layout is the best place one can build a luxurious home, schools, hotels, recreational center, and some other corporate businesses right in Enugu. Independence Layout houses a lot of beautiful estates such as Bricks Estates, Republic Estates, Liberty Estates, and so many other mini estates. We are currently headed down the Presidential Road, which is just few minutes drive away from Independence Layout. Now, Presidential Road houses a lot of hotels, it houses a lot of banks, and as you can see, we are currently at the motor spare parts area at Presidential Road. Now, we are headed down to Ogui Road, and we'll be going through Presidential Road down to Onoato Junction and down to Onoasata Junction before getting to Ogui Road. So all you have to do is to sit back and enjoy this drive while we show you all of this location. So this is where we'll be ending our video for today. So if you found this exciting, do well to comment and share, and also subscribe to this particular channel. So if you want us to cover a particular area for you, do it to put it on the comment section. And don't forget, I bring you the best property deals right here in the city of Enugu State, Nigeria. Till we see again, have a great day.